We believe that the training is training of the mind to think, not training of the facts. Our goal is to train you for the real world. We want you to take the concept from workshop to workplace. And you may ask, how? You get lifelong post-workshop support for practicing the concepts at your workplace. Our programs prepare you for the job with real-life simulations and case studies. You get many insightful reading material that you can use anytime during your job. Our training programs are experiential in nature with no PPT and less number of participants to enable you to get different perspectives. All our trainers are practitioners who work 5 days a week and bring their experience to the workshops.
Our association does not really end with the training. In fact, it's just the beginning of relationship. All our workshops come with free 1 week of mentoring. We run 2 hours of Q&A sessions every week with our coaches. We also bring industry practitioners to answer your questions. So whether you stumble into issues at your workplace or in the interviews, bring your questions to this forum and get a different perspective. We have a WhatsApp group for every city we go to with our coaches and practitioners. We have monthly in-person meetups in every city in India for face-to-face interaction. If you are not able to find opportunities to practice at your workplace, we help our alumni with opportunities to practice like Scrum Pitch, Social Scrum, and Practitioners Corner.
We work on building products, so we run experiments too. If you are willing to contribute, you are welcome to become a part of our Scrum team, experiment, and get hands-on experience of Scrum. We run social projects wherein volunteers use Scrum to solve social problems. Once every quarter, we bring practitioners and enthuse together and let them work together to explore the solutions for the real-life problems that the practitioners bring. Our mobile app, which gives a fresh content every week. We release Play Scrum short books often which give a quick insight into specific areas. You get these books free as an alumni. Leanpitch videos that are released every week are a great source of knowledge. Our batch sizes are 30 on an average, unlike others who run workshops with 60 to 100 people to make up for the lower cost offerings. Our goal is to ensure that individual interaction between the trainer and the participant happens to enable effective learning. All our workshops are run without PPTs and are experiential in nature. Our belief is you cannot train on something that you don't do. So all our trainers are practitioners themselves who do what they teach every day and share their experience during the workshops.
See you at one of our workshops and get the wow experience with Leanpitch.